What's going on, everybody? This is Brian once again. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do our very first photography tutorial. I will call this episode Photography 100 so that a lot of you guys who have no idea what to do in photography, what kind of camera to buy, what's a camera itself, what's a DSLR, what's a mirrorless, what's a lens, what's a prime lens, what's a zoom. Whew, that's a lot of terminology to memorize and learn, but trust me, it becomes easier with time. I'm here to help you guys so that you don't confuse it all, and I will help you to get great pictures. You can make cool photographs, you can do videographs as well, but we will get into that later on. But first, one little request. If you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing. There are other videos too. There's fragrance reviews, there's travel photography, some how-tos as well as unboxings. Please look into that. Let's get to business. The very first thing, when you buy a camera, you're all confused like, okay, what's a DSLR? It's a digital single lens reflex camera. That's what it's called. It's a DSLR. And this right here, this is what you call a camera body. This portion, the bottom portion, that's a separate thing. It comes off, but typically the top part is all you get. This is where the sensor is. This is your shutter trigger, I would say. And as you would know, this is of course your monitor, that's your viewfinder. That's about it. All these buttons, knobs, and everything, these are all trivial. These vary from each different company. There are so many different companies. I use Nikon systems, there's Canon, there's Pentax, there's Panasonic, there's Samsung. There's a hell lot of other things. There's Sony as well. They make great cameras too. Your preference is, hey, what kind of camera do you want to buy? Do you want to buy a DSLR? Do you want to buy a compact mirrorless? It's up to you. But the whole point being, we have to make great photographs with whatever devices we have. The next thing you need is a lens. Let me show you. This is a lens. This is basically a very simple one. This is what you call a prime lens. We will get into a separate episode where we will discuss about the various kinds of lenses we have. And this is the front element of a lens. This right here is the rear element of a lens. And you focus the lens when you twist this thing. You focus something that's closer to you or something that's far away. So let's put this away. Let's discuss about something else. This is a filter. Each filter has a different thread size, this diameter, okay? And each lens has its thread size, the diameter size mentioned right around here. You can see this one is 52, it's a 52 millimeter thread. So this filter, this is a very basic filter. It just protects your front element from getting dust and scratches as you move around. And you just put it on like this. Sorry about that. You twist it in place. There you go. It's all protected now. Alright, that's your very basic thing. And how do we set it up? Each mount, this right here, is your mount. This is a Nikon mount. They call it the F mount. So all you have to do is take your lens, take off the back cover, and the rear element goes inside. And as you can see, there's a small dot over here, and over here you can see there's a white dot here. So you match this dot with the one right here, and we put it like this. It's just gonna sit inside, and you twist it. You hear the click, and you see this thing move out. There you go. You have your camera ready. It's ready to shoot. All you have to do is now load up the battery. Do not forget the memory card. That's crucial. Okay? Each different body, each different manufacturer has their own set of memory card. Like Canon sometimes uses both SD cards as well as compact flash, CF cards. Some other camera might have a whole different format of cards. There's the newer format called the XQD. mostly used in probably in the Sony systems. Okay, so you have to be careful like which one your camera body uses, which one your manufacturer supports, and by that, do not forget your batteries. Never ever forget your batteries and your memory cards. That's crucial. Do not take them out of your camera at any cost, especially the memory card. Okay, batteries you can take out for recharging and everything, but do not forget to load them up. You don't want to end up in a location where you go and you do not find your batteries and you're like, uh, sorry about that. All right, so that's your camera. It's all set to shoot. All you have to do is look through the viewfinder, get your focus right, and fire away. That's a very basic thing, right? It's easy. That's about it. So for a first-time buyer, that's all you need to know. You need a body, you need a lens, and a bit of extra today. This is an external flash called a hot shoe flash. This is like for people who want to modify the light. Sometimes you're in a condition where there's not enough light. You can play around with this. They have a adjustable head. They rotate. You can twist it in any direction. You can bounce light off a wall or something. This is gonna help. But this is for like advanced user, not for right up. You just buy your camera and just go shooting with this thing. No, this is not for that. Where does it go? This fit, I just put it on for display purpose. This is your hot shoe mount, okay? All you have to do is make sure it's unlocked. And this is your hot shoe right here on top. So you put the thing right there and you twist that thing right there, right this one. Once you're done with that, it locks into place, it doesn't fall off, and you can shoot. You can bounce off the light, off a wall or a ceiling, anywhere, okay? So this is a very basic setup of a camera, and I would particularly say we will conclude the lesson here today. That's it, guys. I know it's very simple. It's not intended, this episode, Photography 100, is not intended for people who already know this stuff. This is mostly for people who do not know what to do when they're going to buy a camera. What are the things they need? Okay, your camera body comes with the body itself, of course, with the batteries and the neck straps and everything, but the lenses, those, they might be coming in a kit format. Like they would give you like a very basic lens. Sometimes they do not. The manufacturer does not provide you with the kit lens. You gotta buy it separate. So just make sure when you buy a particular body from a manufacturer, make sure you have the body, the lens. Do not worry about the flash. Just buy a particular filter with the required thread size and you're good to go. Do not forget to buy the memory cards, okay guys? We conclude this lesson today, and please make sure to subscribe. More episodes coming soon. In the next episode we will be discussing about the various features of the whole body on the DSLR, okay? So check out the other videos. I will be providing a link to my Facebook photography page in the description below. You can check out my Instagram, and do consider subscribing to my channel. Tell your friends, those who are new to the channel, or they're looking for photography tutorials. I was a noob. I will be very honest about this. I was a noob. I knew nothing. I researched, I asked my friends, I bothered my friends. Some people just dished me. They were like, bro, seriously, you cannot do this. This is not for you. But here I am today. That's why I'm here to help you guys, okay? Let me help you guys. Let me help you become a better photographer from 0 to 100. Thank you guys. Peace out.